So everybody and their brother has been posting about cook kits for their Appalachian Trail through hike. So why should I be any different? Hey guys, Todd here and welcome to Hiking a Different Path. Going to do something a little different today. I'm going to show you guys my cook kit. Now I've got a video up on my website, on my YouTube channel I should say, that's already kind of got the basics of what I'm doing. But that was when I was using an alcohol stove. I have since done a couple of 3 different shakedown hikes over in the Sipsey, preparing for this AT hike, and I have changed my fuel source and thus changed my stove. So here we go. So here's my cook kit as you probably remember it from previous videos. All nicely packaged up in that orange little mesh sack, weighing in just a little over 12 ounces. And this is completely full. All the fuel, all the ignition source, stove, everything is in there. So let's just kind of go through how this is set up. Now, once you take the cover off, I've got a little rubber band around it to kind of keep the lid on and make sure everything stays nice and tight and together. I'm using a 700 milliliter Toaks titanium pot. I've got a titanium windscreen that I made myself. And then this is the insides. This is everything in there. We're going to start with my cool Bic lighter. It's always nice to have a cool lighter. Then I have a little camp sponge that's just cut in half. I use that for cleanups and other stuff. And then this is 6 days worth of fuel. And this is a particular type of solid fuel. It's from Expedition Research, their Ultralight fuel. But the real star of the show is this new camp stove. The cube sits in that little tray. Pot sits on the little 3 prongs. That stove weighs just at ½ an ounce, so that is a winner. And actually it weighs just a tad less than my alcohol stove did. Everything packaged up. This is the cool part. You hear that? Yeah, not much noise. That's the way I like it. I don't like a lot of noise, a lot of rattling on my pack when I'm doing that. So there you have it. There's a quick rundown of my cook kit for my 2021 AT through hike attempt. Hope you guys found that useful. I know that fuel change is going to freak some folks out, but hey, it's just one way to skin a cat if you're into skinning cats. So there you go. So until next week, take a hike and love somebody along the way.